Hi, I'm Joan. I'm 72 years old. When most people meet me, they cannot believe my age and they are enthralled by my complexion, by the texture of my skin. I tell them it's no big secret. I use the ordinary aloe vera plant. Aloe vera is something you see in most lotions and beauty products, but I use the real thing. It is so easily accessible and to grow. You go to a hardware store or a plant shop, you get one plant, and in no time, you have a whole lot of aloe vera in your pots. You just keep separating them. To use it on your face, you simply find yourself a well developed leaf. You cut it like this, pare both sides, then cut it in the center where you find a whole lot of gel. Now, this gel is very, very bitter. I would never take it internally, but some people swear it is good for you. But my skin is a big, big organ with lots of pores, so lots of it gets inside of me when I rub it on my face like this. And I keep it on my skin all day. I wash it off in the night. It does not itch, it has no side effects, and it keeps my complexion beautiful. No big secrets. Incidentally, I'm also a journalist. I've written this book here, Looking Back. It's about our struggles in the little island of Jamaica toward communism, or what it was called then socialism, from our shores. At this time, when there's a big debate about socialism in the upcoming elections in America, it's a good time to read and get yourself familiar with what it's all about. It's available at Amazon.com. Looking Back: The Struggle to Preserve Our Freedoms by Joan Williams. Have a wonderful read and a wonderful complexion.